Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about occipital bone, and here at the side you can see the diagrammatic representation of superior surface of occipital bone for the reference. And here you can also evaluate its squamous part, condylar part and basilar part. So let's start our topic with introduction. Occipital bone is trapezoidal shaped bone located at the lower back of skull. It forms the posterior part of cranium and base of skull, enclosing the foramen magnum, that is a crucial opening through which the spinal cord passes. Location and articulations of occipital bone. Occipital bone is located at the posterior and inferior portion of cranium. It articulates with the multiple bones. First, it articulates with the other parietal bone superiorly at the sagittal at the lambdoid suture. It articulates with the temporal bone laterally, it articulates with the sphenoid bone anteriorly, and it also articulates with the atlas vertebra inferiorly at the occipital condyles. Anatomical feature of occipital bone. First is external surface. In external surface of occipital bone, there are occipital protuberance, that is a prominent bump at the center of external surface of occipital bone. Second, it has nuchal lines that are curved ridges that serve as a muscle attachment points. Third, it has foramen magnum, that is a large opening that allows passage of spinal cord. Fourth, it has occipital condyles, that is the smooth protrusion flanking the foramen magnum that articulates with the first cervical vertebra. Next we will talk about internal surface of occipital bone. As you can see here in the diagram, this is internal surface of occipital bone. It has groove for sinuses, that are channels that houses the transverse and sagittal sinus. Second, it has cerebral foci, that are depression that accommodates the cerebellum. Third, it has cleavage, that is a slope leading towards the foramen magnum that support the brainstem. Development and ossification of occipital bone. Occipital bone develops from multiple ossification centers, including both membranous and cartilaginous portions. These centers fuse during early childhood to form unified bone. Initially, the bone comprises four parts: squamous part, basilar part, and two lateral parts. Fusion of them typically occur by age 6. Functions of occipital bone. The occipital bone serves several essential purposes. First, it protects the brain, especially the occipital lobes and cerebellum. Second, it forms the cranial base as they connect the skull with the vertebral column. Third, it supports muscle attachment for neck and back muscles. Fourth, it also facilitates neural passage through the foramen magnum. Clinical significance of occipital bone. First, the occipital bone fracture. They can result from trauma and may affect vital neural structures. Second significance is basilar invagination, that is a condition where the bone presses into the spinal canal. Third, there may be Chiari malformation, that is a structural defect involving the occipital bone that impacts the cerebellum. And this was all about occipital bone. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.